Welcome back to the channel, dosto. Aaj hum baat karne wale hain Tikka T3x ke bare mine. Jo Tikka brand ki bolt action rifle family mine ek well-known nam hai. 2026 K context mine be T3x platform hunting our sporting rifle enthusiasts K beach apni simple design, build quality our practical approach ki wajah se kafi attention rakta hai. Tikka, Finland ki Seiko family ka ek established rifle brand hai. Our T3x series co-accuracy focused sporting rifles K segment mine pechana jata hai. Tikka T3x ka sabs noticeable feature iska clean our practical design hai. Rifle ko unnecessary decoration K bijay functionality ko dian mine rakar developed kia gaya hai. Iski overall construction ek traditional bolt action sporting rifle jaisi appearance dedi hai. Jabki modern materials our manufacturing techniques is contemporary look deed hain. Stock design our external Finnish model K according different ho sakti hain. Jiski wajah se T3x family mine hunters our sport shooters K liye alag configurations dekna ko milti hain. T3x series ki ek important characteristic iska modular approach hai. Different variants mine stock styles, barrel configurations our other factory options available rehi hain. Is variety ki wajah se T3x platform ek single purpose rifle K bijay multiple sporting applications K liye recognizable bana hai. 2026 mine be iska appeal largely isi versatility our established reputation se judawa hai. Build quality ki bot karain to Tikka rifles generally Finnish manufacturing standards our consistent production K liye famous hain. T3x ka design rugged outdoor environments ko dian mine ron wali sporting tradition ko represent karta hai. Hunting equipment mine reliability our durability important factors hod hain. Our isi wajah se Tikka ka nam international firearm community mine kafi familiar hai. Aesthetics ki tarif dekine to Tikka T3x modern our traditional styling ka combination offer karta hai. Kuch versions relatively classic hunting rifle appearance rocked hain. Jabki others zyada contemporary styling K soth nazar at hain. Is variety say users apni preference K according different factory configurations explore kar sakti hain. 2026 mine firearms industry mine safety, responsible ownership our local laws ko samajna pella se be zyada important hai. Kisi be firearm ko purchase, possessya use karne se pella apni country our local jurisdiction K applicable laws ko check karna zarori hai. Safe storage our responsible handling be firearm ownership ka essential part hai. Overall, Tikka T3x ek established bolt action rifle platform hai jo Finnish engineering, practical design our sporting rifle heritage ko combine karta hai. Iski popularity surf appearance ki wajah se nahi, balki Tikka brand ki long-standing reputation our T3x family K broad range of factory configurations ki wajah se be high. Agar apko firearms industry, hunting equipment our modern sporting rifles K bare mine informative videos pasand hain, to channel ko subscribe zaror karain. Video pasand I to like karain our comments mine batayan K op next kiss sporting rifle K bare mine general overview dekna chahenge. Milt hain next